Hey guys, welcome back to Modern Conscious Beauty channel, and for today's video is a self-care Sunday. That's why the setup is different. I really opted to use natural light just to show to you guys kasi nire-request nyo yung mga skincare na pwede nyong matry just to make sure to soothe your skin, especially sa mga acne-prone skin. So this video is for you, and I've been trying this product for the longest time. I've actually been loving it ever since it was launched in 2018, and this is called the Saki Ferment Face Mask. And for this video, I will be showing you how I actually use this product and why I love it. And also, ito, natural face yan. I don't have any makeup on my face right now. This is just skincare, and this is how it looks like after I used this mask. So if you guys are interested to know more about the Saki Ferment Mask and why we really recommend it for those who have acne-prone skin, and if you want to soothe your skin, then please continue watching. So for this video, we are gonna be mixing the Saki Ferment Mask and the frankincense essential oil. Alam nyo na na-favorite ko to if you've watched the previous videos. Again, sinabi na ni Miss Jamie, the founder and the owner of V&M Naturals, that you can use your essential oils as well in mixing your skincare products. For this one, I tried to mix yung frankincense as what she recommended. It's because I really can't take that much yung scent ni sake or ng liquor. Pwede naman siya. I mean, bearable naman. Depende na sa inyo. For the frankincense essential oil, we just need 1 drop because this is the king of all oils. Alam nyo naman na isa sa mga favorites ko. And it also has that soothing properties, and it's also perfect to mix it with this mask to have that glowing skin. This face mask has the main ingredient of sake or Japanese rice wine. It tightens the pores and also exerts antibacterial action, which is very effective for skin conditions like acne. Enzymes fermented rice wine exfoliates the outermost layers of skin and also nourishes it with minerals and vitamins. This one also has kojic acid, which lightens the skin, kaya nakikita nyo na nag-glow siya talaga. And also has hop extract, which is an antimicrobial property. And sunflower seed oil, which replenishes and soothes the skin. Aside from that, this product also has rosemary leaf, magnolia cobus flower, chrysanthemum flower, and root extracts that fight inflammation, cleanses pores, and moisturizes the skin. So for this product, I just apply it on my face using my mask na brush. But again, you can use your fingers. Depende na yan sa inyo. And I leave it on for around 15 to 20 minutes. Here, I am just tapping off yung water, or kumbaga making it absorb on my skin because I don't use towel or tissue. Pwede pa, pero yung towel hindi talaga because mas nakaka-irritate siya ng skin and it causes more breakout. So I highly recommend that you just tap off the water. Kaya guys, sobrang okay talaga ng product na to, especially for those who have acne-prone or oily skin, because it really soothes the inflammation, and at the same time, it gives you a brighter and moisturized skin. So if you want to try this out like a DIY facial at home, you can use it 2 to 3 times a week. I swear, it will just really make you look glowy, as you can see on my skin. Kaya hindi talaga ako nag-makeup sa video na to. I hope you get to try this one out. You can check it out at V&M Naturals or Pure Organics. And this one, yung isang tub na to, is magagamit nyo na for a very long time. I think it's around 3 to 4 months. For me, mas tipid siya instead of using the sheet masks. And mas nafe-feel ko talaga siya sa skin ko na nakaka-moisturize and glow siya. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and we hope to see you on our next videos. Bye guys!